locate our store. All will be found here.
Here we have the JBL Clip 3, which is touted as a no-brainer when it comes to small portable Bluetooth speakers. In this video, we're going to be going over key features, seeing who this product would actually be good for, how it compares to the competition, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. The JBL Clip series has built up a great reputation as a tough little portable speaker over the years. This third gen only adds to those rave reviews. Clip 3 is your sound to go that can go just about anywhere. In fact, it's often been referred to as a wearable. It weighs just over 7 ounces, not much more than most smartphones, and we love that it's small enough to fit in the back pocket of our jeans. Plus, with the built-in carabiner, we can hang or clip it to just about anything. This makes it so it's always there with us, cranking out tunes on hikes, bike rides, camping trips, or just chilling in the backyard, especially with up to 10 hours of playtime. It's completely waterproof with an IPX7 rating. It can even be completely immersed in up to a meter, that's 3 feet, of water. That makes the Clip 3 perfect to take to the beach, poolside, or even for those sing-along moments in your shower. The design is simple, looking like a large hockey puck covered in tough mesh fabric on the front. It comes in 12 different colors and patterns to show your flair. Or you can even customize your design with images and text as well as the casing color for a truly unique statement. You'll find just 3 media buttons embedded into the front with slightly raised rubberized icons that stay consistent with the aesthetics of JBL's other speakers. On the back, you get a rubbery plastic material that makes it easy to grip with smooth indented buttons for power and Bluetooth on the sides. You'll also find ports for micro USB charging and a 3.5mm aux if you don't want to go wireless under the waterproof flap. It's a bit disappointing that it misses out on the JBL Connect Plus feature that lets you connect multiple JBL speakers. But it's definitely not a deal breaker. It just would have made the already versatile Clip 3 even more versatile. When it comes to the sound quality, we weren't expecting audiophile levels, but we were still surprised how loud and clear the music was. It sounded quite full. It wasn't muddy or thin like we expected for most small Bluetooth speakers out there. Even at louder volumes, we found the audio performance holding up well, especially in the mids. We did notice some audio quality and resolution fade a little in the higher frequencies, while the bass held together without too much distortion or breaking up. One of the added features we found useful was the built-in noise and echo canceling speakerphone. We could answer calls with the press of a button and not have to take our phones out, and the calls were extremely clear. So, what's the verdict? When you consider the Clip 3 is designed for sound to go, it's easy to overlook the performance limitations of its size. Instead, we think you'll find the size a big plus. It delivers solid audio performance that is loud and clear in an ultra-portable, ultra-rugged and waterproof Bluetooth speaker. One that we can just clip onto our clothes, belt loop, backpack, or just about anywhere to basically take everywhere. The Clip 3 is really a no-brainer if you're looking for big sound from a small speaker.